Hello friends, I'm Manoj Kejha. See, in the field of UPSC's examination preparation, there are many students, those who have planned for long-term strategy. In the sense, 2 years, 3 years, a kind of thing. Those who start very early, they are in their college and they just want to do their preparation along with the college studies. Otherwise also you will find that there are students, those who want to prepare and by taking 2 years time, go very slow, create milestones and gradually achieve those milestones. So if you look at the program that is called GSIL, GS Integrated Learning Program, is typically designed for those who have the plan for the self-study and how to create different milestone and achieve it. So it's basically, if you look at the way students used to prepare for this examination, and they focus on the self-study, and ultimately you will find that the self-study is the key. And so in GSIL, what we do basically, we try to create everything to align with your self-study so that you can take maximum out of the self-study. So when you are starting your preparation and making a self-study plan, basically what you do and what is required, two things is very, very important. That a clear-cut mapping of the resources and what to take out from those resources, and it should be aligned in a way that help you to achieve your milestones. So first we create, you can say, a study plan, and then on the basis of these study plan, we mentor or we create concepts class also, so that you can take maximum out of the self-study. So this is the first stage of the GSIL. The second important, you can say, aspect of the GSIL program or integrated learning program is concept building. Once you have mapped the resources and each and everything, then basically now you have to gradually roll out your plan to build the concepts. Now here is the key. In the self-study, whatever you have to do your own. But if little bit of assistance is provided, you can take maximum out of the similar resources. So concept building phase in each subject is basically a very, you can say, a crisp classes, very, very crisp classes, where basically we guide you that how to take different, you can say, the concepts from based on each and every topic, because concept building is a gradual process, and that's why we conduct concepts classes based on the self-study plan. So let's say 4 or 5 days for a few units, and then go for the test, then again 4 or 5 days, give a little bit more time to revise the things, then again go for the tests. And this is how gradually you allow yourself to evolve and build concepts, because it's time-taking process. And that's why it is designed for the candidates, those having little bit longer strategy, and they are in their colleges. Otherwise also anyone who wants to you can say make a plan for the 2 years, for them this is a typical plan, or this is a very typical you can say course which is designed to align your self-study. Again I am saying you, because sometimes you ask whether one should go for the coaching or not. See, it's not about coaching or anything else. It's basically about whether you do coaching or not coaching. It's basically the quality of the self-study that helps you to achieve the target, to achieve the goal, to achieve the dream. Whether it is coaching or anybody else or mentor or senior, they are the facilitators. So the third aspect, now the third important thing is tests. See, in the preparation of UPSC, when the things are you can say taking little bit more time and journey is long, assessment is very important. At regular interval, assessment is very important. Unless this assessment is continuous, which helps you to understand the direction and also what is the level of your preparation and the quality of preparation, you will keep moving, but you don't know where you are going. You don't know the quality of your preparation. And so assessment is very, very important, very important. And that's why in this program, and there are several level of, you can say, the test series, whether it is PT, mains. So initially we start with the small number of questions in the PT and mains both, so that completion rate should be very high. Then we go for the revision test, which is typically based on the UPSC pattern, so that once you are done with the concept building and the first level of test, then you go for the second level of assessment or final, you can say, the revision test sort of thing. And those who are doing their self-study in the colleges, mentorship is very important, so that you constantly, you are moving in the right direction, you are achieving your milestones, and wherever you have doubt, there must be certain faculties to help you out, mentors to whom you can discuss each and everything, and then accordingly you can tweak your self-study. So this is what the GSIL is all about. Thank you very much.